Assalamu alaikum dear student. I hope you all are fine. This is second week assignment and day 1 lecture. In day 1 lecture the main topic is major organ of the body, stomach, liver, function and structure of these organ. I'll repeat again the main topics: major organ of the body, stomach, liver, function and structure of these organ. Please watch this video carefully first, then I'll explain it again.
The major organs of the human body. Your body contains lots of different organs all working together, each with their own special job to do. Inside your head, protected by your skull, is your brain. Your brain does all your thinking and tells the other parts of your body what to do. Here is your heart, which pumps blood around your body. Your lungs are protected by your rib cage. They bring air in and out of your body. Your stomach digests your food, breaking it down, ready for your liver to help digest it and store the nutrients. Your liver also cleans your blood before your kidneys filter it. All the waste is finally passed on to your intestines so it can leave your body. Of course, not all your organs are inside your body. Your skin is your largest organ, and it does lots of different jobs. It holds everything together in a protective waterproof layer. It stops germs and dirt getting into your body, and has sensors to tell you about your environment, such as how cold or hot it is. To keep all your organs working well, you need to eat a healthy, balanced diet, drink plenty of water and do lots of exercise.
Okay, now let's move to explanation of these organ. The major organ of the human body is brain, lungs, heart, liver, kidney and stomach. Now I'll explain the structure and function of stomach. Stomach is a muscular sac. There are valves at the end of stomach. These valves produce hydrochloric acid. These acids help to kill unwanted bacteria. These valves contract and relax to churn the food. Stomach is a muscular sac. It is related to, or we can say that their structure is belonging to a muscular sac. There are valves at the end of stomach. Valves is work like valves. These valves produce hydrochloric acid. Hydrochloric acid and the formula of hydrochloric acid is HCl. They kill unwanted bacteria or harmful bacteria in the stomach. These valves contract and relax to churn the food. Churn means mix up the food. Now I'll explain the structure and function of liver. The liver is the largest organ in the body. This is important information. Kindly note this information. It removes dead red blood cells from the blood. Their function is to remove dead or extra red blood cells from the blood. It stores glucose and maintain the level in the blood. It stores vitamin and mineral, which can very helpful in human growth. It produces lots of heat energy, which keep the body warm. The liver is the largest organ in the body. It removes dead red blood cells from the blood. It stores glucose and maintain the level in the blood. It stores vitamin and mineral. It produces lots of energy, heat energy, which keep the body warm. This is it for today lecture. Try to do your homework daily.